What inspired me to create the Lafrog menu was clearly the elements. I know that Lafrog use its locally sourced materials to create its distinctive peated flavor. So I decided to do the same. I go in my garden, there is no chemical, no intermediate, no intermission. It's direct from the ground to the plate. I wanted to impact with fire. I tried to recreate the smokiness with the tea that I used to cook the pears and with the burnt sage who cooked the tomahawk beef. Lafrog gets its distinctive salty notes from the wood that is infused by the sea. So I decided to use the same principle. The salt helps me to improve each product. I used the Himalayan sea salt stone to infuse the scallops. I try to have an impact on the people that I feed.